My name is Alejandro Larios-Quintero, and I'm in the engineering program at Seattle Maritime Academy. My brother's a graduate. He was a SMA grad close to 20 years ago, and he's always, I think, been trying to get me to kind of follow in his steps. I graduated high school, saved enough money, and tried to get in as fast as I could. Starting the program, I was very excited. It's known when you graduated from SMA. Like, you get there and people are like, oh, okay, you're an SMA grad. You know what you're doing. I'm a first-generation Mexican-American, and to me, it's very important to solidify my family. I want to make sure that my family name carries over 2 countries. I know what it feels like to be in a space and look around, and you don't really see anybody that you feel like you can be true to yourself, to who you are. I tend to not be very outspoken. The time that I did speak, it mattered to the staff. It would make me very happy to know that I did something that would make other people feel safe coming after me. I have a clear path. It's a path to better living. It's a path to putting other people on. There's space for all of us. You know, we can all eat off of this. This could really do something for our communities. At the end of the day, it's your story, and if you can do it, you absolutely should.